Hi to everyone, all the students of Omega and Omega Group. This particular session is all about getting the international certificate from Career Development College, London. So we are going to do the course on freelancer, how to start your own business in the digital marketing environment, as well as how to create a website blog. So certification courses we are going to obtained from the University Career Development College. It's an international certificate which counts everywhere. So first stage is this link will be shared with you, and then just complete the registration process as per your name and everything. Then yes, you can see your page, the dashboard which will be created. Then we have to go for the courses. So which course we are planning first? We are planning the course on the blog marketing. Yes, this is the course. So which is available free only for today. Okay, so today only we are supposed to get. So this is the blog authority, the course name. So in order to create a website, we require the knowledge on how to create different pages, different blogs. Okay, so how to create that one and what is the course is all about this particular blog authority. So just click on that course, start the course, enroll, and you can see the new interface where the blog authority course details introduction. So you are supposed to finish the listening part from the university professors. So directly click on this 1.1 and make sure that you are hitting this particular tab complete for each course, and then move for the next. So hit on the complete, then it will ask for the confirmation. Then second chapter, likewise you are supposed to finish nearly 10 chapters. You can directly hit the complete button and go for the next option. So directly, in order to get the certificate, you need to write one assessment test, so which I'll be sharing with you. Yes, so let us work this one. 10 questions. So hardly it takes 5 minutes time to finish the certification course in a shortcut manner. If you are interested, if you want to listen, you can listen all the chapters. So finish quiz. Okay, so see 30 minutes you are supposed to finish. Finish course, you enter. Then automatically there's a how the certificate will generate, we will see. Yes, automatically the certificate will be generated. So this is the process first. So we have taken one more course also, I'll be showing that one. So how to get the certification, let me share. This is the next course, Women in Leadership. So getting an international certificate counts a lot when you are approaching for the foreign university education, or else in the future working with the foreign universities. So Women in Leadership, direct link also will be shared with you. The same procedure, and I'm sharing the quiz. You can check the time, 13 minutes we are supposed to finish. Okay, submit, finish course. Here itself in the home page only, press on the certificate, automatically certificate will be created. Similarly, you can do the course. I'll share the link of the freelancer. So there no examination for the freelancer, directly you are supposed to listen the course, then you can get the